Josh here at Crazy Trailer World in Houston, here to talk to you about parts, services, and the importance of maintaining your trailer. Keep your trailer maintained is going to prevent downtime, saving you money in the long run. Going to keep that trailer on the road making money and keep you and the other folks safe. Here at Crazy Trailer World, we do offer quite a variety of services from bearing repacks, alignments, weld jobs, aftermarket part installs, lighting, pretty much anything you would need on whether it's your hot shot trailer or something you're hauling your equipment trailer, whatever. We can pretty much do anything you're going to need on it. Keep that thing on the road, get anything done to it you'd want to do. Here at Crazy Trailer World in Houston, we have techs with decades of experience. We offer a variety of services, wiring, welding, troubleshooting, anything of that nature that you would need. And we have some of the fastest turnarounds in our area. Here at Crazy Trailer World, we offer a variety of parts and accessories, straps, chains, binders, transfer tanks, common wear items like brakes and springs, and we make it really easy to find all of those parts and accessories. You can find us online at crazytrailerworld.com or come on down and see us at 15150 North Freeway. Give me a shout at 832-852-8000.